Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking and Loving, where we cook with love. My name is Jonathan Pepinelli here, and today we have another bang-up cooking video ahead of us. Last time we cooked porco adobo, which is a Filipino dish. And this time we're back in Italy cooking an Italian dish, sigla. So today we'll be making Danubio di patate, which is an Italian dish basically. I don't know how to translate it in English. It's basically a dough, like a pizza dough ball with inside is like ham and cheese. Patate is translated in potatoes, so the dough is going to be made with flour and potatoes. So now the ingredients. The ingredients are 250 grams of flour, 00 type. 250 grams of potatoes, peeled, 3.5 grams of yeast, 10 grams of extra virgin olive oil, 5 grams of salt, and 1 full egg. Now the condiments are this beautiful scamorza affumicata, which is a smoked Italian cheese that really brings out a lot of flavour, very strong, and some prosciutto cotto, which is cooked ham. So now let's get on to the recipe. First step, cut the potatoes into cubes. So we have our beautiful potato. We're gonna cut it in half. Kind of slippery because we washed them. You need to wash the potatoes and peel them. And then, like that. And then, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, once you cut your potatoes into cubes, now the next step. You get your potatoes, well, first of all you need to get like a pot, a small pot. You get your potatoes, transfer them all in to the pot and add some water. Last time when I was adding water, I spilled it all over my shirt. So, add the water until all the potatoes are fully submerged into the water. That's good. And now turn on your fire to medium heat and boil them until they become nice and soft. Potatoes are nice and soft. Turn off the fire, and now I'm going to drain the water. I've got this fun tool to crush our potatoes, my potatoes. Now the fun part, mashing the potatoes. Next step, put the flour in. Then the olive oil. Nice. Then you crack the egg. Nice. And the yeast. We're going to leave the salt for now. Try and incorporate everything, and then you can use your hands. Well, be careful because the potatoes are still hot. If you want, you can use a machine that mixes it for you. But for this small quantity, I prefer using my hands. So I'm gonna use my hands now. I'm gonna use it. Remember to wash your hands before you do this. I washed mine. Wait until the potatoes cool down though. Finally, you add the salt and continue. Once your dough is ready, shape into a nice ball. If you see it start sticking onto whatever you're turning it on, add like a little bit of flour just to help you. In the same bowl, I added a splash of olive oil just to help it not stick. You put it in there, boom, get some cling film. Maybe I need a little bit more. Put it there. I didn't even get enough. I need to put way more. I miscalculated the amount of. Leave this for an hour at about room temperature. Alright, So my dough's ready. I can finally take this off, and oh my goodness, this bad boy has tripled in size, has grown up. So let's take this out the bowl. It's nice and airy, it's nice and soft. It did not stick, which is good. I've got my tool here, and I'm gonna cut in half. Once you cut them into half, try to make like a little worm, a big worm, and then at least try and make it into 5 different shapes, different cubes, balls. So that's 1, 2. I'm gonna add a little bit of flour where I can put my dough so it don't stick. Make them into nice ball-sized, like almost tennis ball-sized dough. So I reshaped them. I added some dough from a couple of them to this one because this is the tiniest one. It's so cute. So now we're ready for the next step. I chopped my ham into small pieces, and now I'm gonna chop my scamorza. This smells really good. So I'm gonna slice. And then into cubes. So I have my chopped ham, I have my chopped scamorza. So now let's fill in the dough. The way I'm gonna do it is I'm just gonna I put some flour to help me. I'm gonna make a circle, almost like a pizza. You put it on your hand, 2 hams, 2 cheese, and close. Gotta close it properly. I'm gonna place it here. Next one. If you want, you can add 3 cheeses because, like, who doesn't like cheese? And it fits and it gives an extra smokiness. Well, not like the taste smokiness. I filled this one, only 3 here, but it's okay. So I had to split them up into 2 separate pans. I wanted one big one so I can fit all of them, but it's okay, these are gonna attach, so it's fine. I'm gonna wait 1 hour because these need to rest. So 1 hour, see you then. Boom and boom. Okay guys, so they are finished, they're finished setting. It's been 1 hour. You can see that they've expanded and they're actually attached to each other, which is fine when you put them in the oven, and when they're done cooking, it's nice because when you rip them apart, it's all the melted scamorza, really nice. This one, only 3 of them, but it's okay. I preheated my oven to 180 degrees on the ventilation system, so we just have to wait, and then we can pop these into the oven. Righty. So, do they both fit? Yeah, they do. 1 second, I just gotta make sure they're not touched. The paper's not touching. Now we wait. They're gonna be nice and just beautiful. These will be done in around 25 to 30 minutes, so not too long. So yeah, you can eat them in about 25 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna wait. It's up. It's empty. No, I'm just kidding. They're okay. So this is the final product. It kind of took a deformed flour, but that's okay. It's probably going to taste even better. It's cold and windy outside, so this is perfect because it's nice and hot inside. This is the 3. This is the full one. I'm gonna put the 3 on here. And as you can see, like I said, it's all together. But that's okay because when you rip it apart, the scamorza is gonna go, wow, it's gonna be amazing. But look how soft it is. It's like a sponge cake. You can, if you want, you can just rip it apart and go yum, yum, yum. But just to show you guys, like the pole, I'm gonna cut one. But that was so easy to cut. I don't even need like a baby can cut this. Okay, I want to show the camera my beautiful sponge cake. No, I'm kidding, but look how soft it is. It could be a sponge cake, but no, inside, it's a beautiful surprise. I can use this so just in case anything falls with everything. There you go. Now see if it tastes good though. I want to get this one because there's a lot of cheese inside, and that's the scamorza. The taste of the scamorza is beautiful. Has a strong taste to it, which is really good. Look at this one. This is more with ham, so let's try the ham one. It's the same one, but it's okay. Boom! Simple recipe, so good. One thing, look how cooked this is, right? Nice, and when you open it apart, it's like full. But what really surprises me is that I haven't cleaned this. I took these out of the oven, got these out, put them onto a plate, and there's like no oil. I mean, yeah, okay, it's not that healthy. This isn't that healthy, but to put olive oil, and there's no olive oil here. It's amazing. But anyway, unfortunately, I have to end the video here. I hope you guys all love this video because this was such a simple recipe and so delicious. Subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, smash that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Alla prossima, ciao!